I'm Christy from CURT Group, and I'm here to show you a revolutionary product from CURT, the Echo Mobile Brake Control. The Echo Brake Control is a revolutionary device. It's completely portable. It's totally plug and play. How it works is this device actually plugs into the back of your 7-way outlet. Your towed vehicle will plug directly underneath this cap, and then you will sync the device to the Echo Smart Control application. You'll configure all your settings, and then you'll be able to tow. So just in that one statement, what I said is that is a zero-tool install. There's nothing like it on the market. What this allows you to do is transfer it from one vehicle to another. You don't have to lock into a one brake control unit per vehicle. Another great thing is if you only tow occasionally, it'll allow you to plug when you need it and remove it when you don't. And it's just for ultimate convenience. To learn more about the Echo Mobile Brake Control, visit curtmfg.com.